When it comes to enhancing your home's functionality, one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is door installation. While doors are often considered only for security and aesthetic purposes, they also play a significant role in the comfort, efficiency, and overall functionality of your home. In Austin, where the climate can be hot and humid, as well as prone to occasional storms, investing in professional door installation can have a dramatic effect on how your home operates on a day-to-day basis. Here's how new door installation can make your Austin home more functional and improve your quality of life. Improved energy efficiency. In Austin, energy efficiency is always a priority. The city's hot summers and mild winters can put a strain on your HVAC system, especially if your home has old, poorly insulated doors. Old doors, especially those made of wood or with outdated weather stripping, can let in drafts, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This leads to higher energy bills and less efficient cooling and heating. New door installation, particularly with energy-efficient models, can dramatically improve the insulation of your home. Look for doors that come with low-E glass, insulated cores, and weather seals. These features help to regulate your indoor temperature by reducing heat gain in the summer and heat loss in the winter. By upgrading to an energy-efficient door, you'll not only make your home more comfortable but also save on energy costs, making it a wise long-term investment. Enhanced security. Your front and back doors are the primary entry points into your home, making them critical for your home security. If your current doors are old, worn out, or don't lock properly, they can be an easy target for burglars. Proper door installation ensures that your doors are securely fitted with the right high security locks and reinforced frames that make it difficult for intruders to gain access. Choosing steel or fiberglass doors can also improve your home's security, as these materials are much more durable than traditional wooden doors. Many modern doors also come with smart locks, allowing for keyless entry and increased control over who enters your home. Double lock systems, impact-resistant glass, and multi-point locking mechanisms offer extra protection, ensuring that your home is safe from unauthorized entry. Better airflow and ventilation. Proper airflow is essential for maintaining a comfortable living environment, particularly during the hotter months in Austin. If your doors are old or don't open and close properly, you may find that it's difficult to allow a natural breeze into your home, which can make the indoor air feel stuffy and uncomfortable. Door installation can significantly improve your home's ventilation. For example, installing French doors or sliding patio doors allows you to open large sections of your home to the outdoors, increasing the flow of air and making your space feel fresher and more open. Screened doors can also be installed to keep bugs out while allowing fresh air to circulate throughout your home. Whether you're looking to let in a breeze or simply improve air circulation, new door installation can help you achieve better indoor air quality and comfort. Increased privacy and noise control. Austin's busy city life can often result in high levels of noise from neighbors, traffic, or nearby businesses. This can disrupt the peace and quiet in your home. Additionally, privacy is important in any home, whether you're looking to keep the outside world from peeking in or simply want to block sound between rooms. New door installation can address both noise and privacy concerns. For instance, solid core doors or insulated doors are designed to minimize sound transmission, making it easier to keep noise out and keep conversations private. Upgrading your doors, particularly those separating living spaces, can help create a quieter, more serene environment. This is particularly useful in areas like bedrooms or home offices where peace and quiet are important for rest or concentration. Aesthetic appeal and functionality. Doors not only serve a practical function, but they also play a crucial role in your home's overall aesthetic. An outdated or unattractive door can negatively affect your home's curb appeal and the way the interior looks and feels. When you invest in new door installation, you can enhance the design and function of your entryway, rooms, or even outdoor spaces. Whether you choose decorative glass doors, modern steel entry doors, or classic wooden doors, the right choice can elevate your home's style. Professional door installation ensures that your doors fit perfectly, operate smoothly, and add a visually appealing element to your home. You can also customize doors to fit specific needs, such as adding French doors for a spacious look or sliding glass doors to open up a room to a patio or garden. By upgrading your doors, you enhance both the functionality and beauty of your living space. Easier accessibility. As we age or if you have a family member with mobility challenges, accessibility becomes a top priority. Installing wider doors, sliding doors, or doors with low thresholds can make your home more accessible to everyone. Door installation services can help you select and install doors that are easier to use for individuals with disabilities or those who require mobility assistance. Additionally, automated doors or smart technology in doors can also be installed for added convenience, offering hands-free entry for anyone carrying groceries or other items. Final thoughts. Door installation is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's a crucial step in improving your home's security, comfort, and efficiency. Whether you're concerned about energy savings, security, privacy, or simply making your home more functional and beautiful, replacing your doors is a smart choice. With the right door installation, your Austin home can be more energy efficient, secure, comfortable, and stylish. By choosing professional door installation services, you ensure that your home is properly equipped for the modern lifestyle while also enhancing its long-term value.